Current HEX cost especially is $0.032. HEX fall 0.29% in 7 days, which certainly is very huge. HEX value examination is negative today in a sort of huge manner. First help level for HEX sort of is at $0.030, which for the most part is very critical. 24 September 2023, in this video we will for the most part walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is by and large transient cost expectation for HEX, truly is HEX a kind of wise venture, which truly is very critical. HEX help and obstruction levels and so forth amazingly. However, prior to jumping profound into the HEX specialized examination, in a real sense, let us truly discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in an especially huge way. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,043,861,656,281. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely critical. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, so HEX help and opposition levels, and so on in every way that really matters, huge way. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 1.24 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a truly significant way. These occasions explicitly show that the market really is going in every practical sense, descending heading for pretty present moment, which basically is very critical. As of now, an essentially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly become commonly more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly shows that the all things considered, all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $17,771,514,007, amazingly. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers for the most part move commonly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they certainly thought. Following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of HEX execution. The day-to-day graph of HEX explicitly shows that the HEX cost certainly has a fundamentally descending development, with a 1.19% lessening in genuinely beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the HEX coin by and large is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, exhibiting that the genuinely complete exchanging volume remains at $17,771,514,007, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, certainly further appearance how yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the HEX specialized examination, certainly let us sort of discuss the really current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. HEX value investigation HEX cost examination for 24 September 2023, inside an everyday time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the hex. Especially further appearance how first help level for hex really is at $0.030, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid, which sort of shows that current hex cost certainly is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in a truly significant manner. Hex financial backers need to fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday diagram, certainly further appearance how hex help and obstruction levels, and so on in an especially significant manner. Hex explicitly has an outright closest opposition of $0.036, showing that hex value examination hex cost investigation for 24 September 2023, inside an especially everyday time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, which generally is genuinely huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would help the upturn energy, so 24 September 2023, in this video, we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally got clarification on some things, facts, what generally is truly momentary cost expectation for hex, all things considered. Is hex a genuinely wise venture, which most certainly is genuinely critical? The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $0.039, which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely critical. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers especially betray the hex, the fundamentally bears could handle the market and truly take hex cost underneath the pivotal help level of $0.030, so hex help and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely huge. While Hex's Williams %R marker truly is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach, which especially shows that XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, especially is somewhere near 1.24 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, which in every practical sense is very